U.S. stocks finishing up today. This in spite of a mixed economic group of indicators. Elizabeth Faublas sorts through all of it for us from the New York Stock Exchange. Liz?
Hello, Pimm. Well, obviously, it's nothing like we saw yesterday, but we did extend gains. You're absolutely right. In fact, the S&P extending its biggest advance in almost 2 months. But it did feel as if investors held back a bit. And the thing is, we've had encouraging news showing the economy continues to grow just at a slow pace. First, we saw unemployment claims fall slightly, but they remain above levels that would not suggest much improvement is really underway. Now, the government jobs report is due out tomorrow, and the median estimate is for a loss of over 100,000. Now, there was also a nice jump in the amount of contracts signed to purchase previously owned homes. Investors are always looking for upbeat news in the housing industry, so that really tempered concern that the economic rebound will stall. Meantime, orders placed with U.S. factories rose less than forecast in July, restrained by a slump in demand for capital equipment that points to slower business investment. So when all was said and done, let's take a look at those numbers for you right now. The S&P was up about 10 points, the Dow was up 50, and the NASDAQ up 23 points.
Now, Liz, retailers, we take a look at same-store sales. They were all racking up gains today in the marketplace as well.
Yes, that's right. Looks like shoppers here in the U.S. taking advantage of deep discounts, tax-free holidays, opening up their wallets a little more for back-to-school spending, giving retailers surprisingly solid gains for August. August chain store sales rising 3.2% according to the International Council of Shopping Centers. Nordstrom, JCPenney, Limited Brands all advancing. Nordstrom actually the best performer on the S&P today. Pimm, back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Liz Faublas, reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.